Students, in this video we will learn how to convert scientific notation numbers into ordinary number notations. So in this format you will see that uh, if the power of 10 is positive, you have to shift the decimal towards rightward in right direction, and you have to shift the decimal towards the rightward, and we have to count the how many number of digits that will be observed from 10 raised to power. Like in this example, 10 raised to power is 6. So what will you do? You would write 506, and this point will be shifted ahead by counting the 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 digits ahead. So you will place the decimal right here. So the number will become actually, which is the same number. So this is 506, and then you will place further 4 zeros to mark the decimal point. In the next example, in the very similar way, what you have to do, you have to shift the decimal 8 digits ahead. So it will become 7, 8, 6, 5, and we have to move 8 digits altogether. So you can see that we have shifted the decimal 1, 2, 3. So further we have to move 1, 2, 3, because we don't have any other digit in this number, so we will add zeros ourselves. So 3 and 3 will become 6, and 2 more zeros, and the decimal will be shifted right here. So the number from scientific notation is converted into the ordinary form, ordinary number notation. Another example for 2.12 10 raised to power 5. So in this case, you can see that 10 raised to power 5 is again positive power. So you will, what will you do? You would write 2, 1, 2, and write 3 more digits as zeros, and then place a sign. So what we have done, we have shifted the decimal from this position to this position. So the number will actually become, if you don't want to write it the decimal, then it will be 212 and 000. So this the scientific notation number is converted into ordinary number notations. If the power of 10 is negative, you can see that right here. So what we have to do, and this decimal is not visible, first mark a decimal sign right here. You have to write 6. You have to move 4 digits, but you have to move 4 digits in left hand direction or in backward direction, like this one. You have to shift the decimal from this position to this position, but 4 digit backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will include the 6 itself, and the number will become 0.006. You place a zero sign yourself, or in simple words, actually this number is 0.006. So if power of 10 is negative, you have to shift the decimal from this position, means right, towards the left position. In the above example, but when we were working with positive powers, then we were shifting the decimal from left towards the right. And in this case, when we have 10 raised to power negative number, then we are shifting the decimal from the right position towards the left one and counting the number of digits. This depends upon what is the power of 10. In a similar way, if you look at another example, you have to start writing the number a little bit ahead so that you can place the zeros in the backward position. So it is 9018. So you are shifting actually decimal from this position 6 digits back. So 9 will be included as the first digit, and for further you have to add zeros in it. You can see that we have to move 6 decimals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then a decimal will be placed here. So we have shifted the decimal sign from this to this position. You can consider this as an example better if you want to write it like this one: 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 9, 0, 1, 8. This is how you can change the scientific notation with negative exponent in the ordinary form of number. This is the format. And finally, the last example, you will see that uh, once again, you would write 7, 4 a little bit ahead, and then you will shift how many digits? 3 digits backward. So decimal will be shifted from this position to this position. So this is how you will convert numbers which are already written in the scientific notations back towards the ordinary number notations. In the next video, we will learn that how to add or how to subtract the numbers with the scientific notations, and we will also observe that how to divide the two numbers which are already in scientific notations, or you can see the fractions which contains the scientific notations, and we will learn in the next video that how to simplify such type of numbers. So I hope that you will this in these examples would help you to understand that how to convert the scientific notation numbers into the ordinary notation numbers. Thank you.